What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing and swatching all of my colors that I just ordered from Shop KRYLX on Instagram. So this is the box that it came in, and I'm just going to, this is so cute. Like y'all know, presentations, everything to me. So this little box is so cute. But basically I just opened this and you will see all of the colors here that I ordered. So I ordered the entire glow collection and then one other color, which is unicorn. That wasn't in the glow collection, but I wanted it, so I got that one too. And she did forget to send me one of the colors that was in the collection. Instead of that color, she sent me the color Baby Girl, which isn't glow in the dark. So I just sent her an email letting her know, and then within like 5 to 7 days I got that color that she missed. So, you know, her customer service is really good. The acrylics itself are very good. They lay like butter. Like, I like this brand a lot. She's good. You know, she does all of this on her own, so I give her props. But yes, these are all of my colors, and then we'll get right into swatching them. So this is the color unicorn. Some of them did come without a sticker on the bottom, but I was able to tell which colors they were based off the ones I did buy. So this is unicorn, and this is the only one that that isn't glow in the dark, except for the one that she accidentally sent me, which is later on. So this was the color that she forgot to send me, and I just swatched it real quick for y'all. But I did have to do this during the daytime, so you can't see the glow in the dark as well, but it's still there and it's still cute. Look at my clumsy self, y'all. I just spilled this all over. Like, wow. How did I even do that? But yeah, once I did this, it started to get real messy. So when y'all see the glow in the dark and there's a whole bunch of colors everywhere, this is why, okay? And this one was the color that she sent me instead of the color Naked that I was missing. So this one isn't glow in the dark. So these are all of the colors I just swatched. I just want to say thank y'all for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what videos y'all would like to see. And yes, go follow her on Instagram. Get y'all some powders or whatever, because these are super cute. They like butter. They're amazing. And yes, I'll see y'all in the next video.